I'm Redd Darley, and I'm the Field Manager for Mitigation for True Builders. Anytime that you have a loss, whether it be water, whether it be fire and smoke, microbial growth, which is mold, I come in, I make sure that one, the situation is handled properly, it's cleaned, it's dried, the insurance knows what's going on, documentation. No matter what it is, we want to make sure that the homeowner is safe and we're doing things correctly. Well, I'm originally from Florida. I've moved around quite a bit. I'm a DJ in my spare time. Making some bad decisions in life led me to some pretty dark paths, and I was able to overcome that. So now, every day when I come to work, I realize that it's a blessing to have a good job and to work for a good company. Working for True is awesome because they really are a great company. We stand 100% behind our work, and we know we're going to give you the best quality products. We're going to get you put back together, and we're going to make it so it's like none of these bad things that happen ever happen. We're with you.